In this video, we will see how to do a text animation using CSS component. It doesn't use any JavaScript here. The text I am your Jenny is animated using animation duration, direction and iteration counts, etc. The actual appearance of the animation here is by using text shadow in the at keyframe. So coming to the implementation, let me add the comment for HTML document that is glowing of text using CSS animation. Using a paragraph tag, I will give the element as I am your Jenny. This is a simple text I have used my channel. I am your Jenny. On preview, we can see it is aligned to the top left. Now we will come back and then start giving styling for the paragraph. So we have started coming to the CSS portion. We will go step by step on how to give the styling and finally get the glowing effect for the text I am your Jenny. For that, I'll make the font size prominent 80 pixel, and let me also align the text property for P to center. Let me give a color as white. Normally the white will not be visible, but now I'm going to give a shadow, text shadow of contrasting. Here I'll choose black. So with text shadow of black color, we will able to see the I am your Jenny words prominently. Black is no RGB, so all zeros. So a simple style has been created just to keep the paragraph aligned at center and with size 80 pixel. We could see it is aligned to the center and the text is white in color. With the text shadow effect, we could able to see it prominently. Now we need a glowing effect. The glowing effect comes if at least two colors are involved in the shadow and they must change over the colors periodically. For that, we will start using the animation property of CSS. First, we will call the animation name as glowing. It is with this glowing name that we will associate the animation at keyframes. Declaration, let it be once again. This is the time at which the color shall be changed. The direction of animation, we want it to be both forward and reverse direction. Hence, it shall keep alternating between forward and reverse. So, it has to grow and it has to shrink. Again, it has to grow and then shrink for the text shadow to have a real glowing effect. Now, I'll remove the text shadow from the paragraph P and then bring it to at keyframes, because it is this text shadow appearance we are going to bring the glowing effect. For the keyframes, we will associate the animation name that is glowing, and from text color we have to migrate to another text color. So from text shadow to text shadow is the action that we have to do it on the animation. So instead of black color, let me give a sort of pink shade. to start with on the text shadow, and slowly the appearance has to change to say a green effect. So this is all two shiny colors so that we will have the glowing effect. Okay, now we are associating the animation to the text shadow appearance. We will see the full preview of this. Now, if you see, it has gone off immediately because we have given the duration of the animation as 1 seconds, and only once this glowing effect comes. So let us give animation iteration count as infinite so that it is in the loop and it keeps doing the same. In the preview window, we can see the colors are changing, but it is not coming for the actual glow effect. To get the actual glow effect, we have to modify the text shadow and then give it for each pixels the effect. Like a ripple effect, we will put a steps for each blur effects up to 80 pixel, which is size of the font also. So we will put a step-by-step text shadow effects 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 and 70 blur effect to start with the color of pink. The from is only up to 70 pixel blur because in to text shadow we want to say what it should do from 70 to 80 pixel. So from 10 pixel blur effect to 20 pixel blur effect using text shadow, the color should migrate from pink to green. Similarly, from 20 to 30 pixel, again there is a color migrations. It continues till 70 to 80 pixel blur for this transitions. So on having the steps in text shadow and then moving from one color to another color, we will get a glowing effect which is literally a crystals here. Yes. Since the text size starts at 10, we will give 2 to 20 pixel blur effect. And similarly, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, so on until 70 to 80 pixel for text shadow effect. We will give the animations effects using the text shadow. Now coming back to the browser, we can prominently see that our text is glowing. This is done without using JavaScript and only uses the CSS animation along with text shadow in at keyframes.